Hey guys, Asayus Mecha here. So for today's video, we're just gonna quickly build this Exceed Gundam head. This is how it come up from the capsule machine. I just removed the plastic covering already. This was the previous Exceed head I had, the RX78-1. So yeah, this is how big it should be and what it looks like. So this is the Zeta head. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so we're just opening it up. Okay, that should do it. Okay. This is what you should see. Exceed model set ahead. So there's currently 3 variation. I think I got the original one. Let's see. This is the step. It's not really a plastic model kit. It's a straight up Gashapon, but it's decent looking and yeah, has all the details. So you can remove that one, then remove everything inside. Other parts are inside here in the plastic, small plastic. The neck, and it's already painted. It's really just to assemble it. This is the original variation of the set head, based on the color scheme. So have the neck, the base of the chest and the neck. Just follow the shape and then just snap it in. See, it's not really that clean. You can probably clean it up. Clear up the marks, mold marks, nub marks. Here's the head. The eyes are transparent plastic, so actually you can rig an LED here for some lighting effect. Okay. So how are we supposed to assemble the head? Remove, put number 4, the face. Yeah. Be on the mouthpiece, so it's missing the mouthpiece. You just put it there. Then where do we put the fins? Okay, I'm lost. Where do we put the fins? You should be here. Am I missing something? Okay, remove that. Okay, so this one, need to snap it in there. And the other one. Yeah. Just need a little pressure to flatten it out there. this together, snap it together, and attach the V-fin. And we're done. It's the Zeta head. Yeah, it's a quick build. Actually, just assembly. Neat. This piece. If you're into collecting Gundam heads, it's a nice set of collection for your desk. Painting wise, detail wise, it's clean. Plastic mold wise, yeah, it's not perfect, but nothing a modeler can clean up and fix. Color separation looks okay. Yeah, and ready for display. It's a bit smaller compared to the RX, but that's up to scale. Yep. So there you go. So this is the RX-78 head comparing with the Zeta head. That's all for today. These are the extra pieces. Not gonna use it. Maybe for other builds, scratch building.